Hello, guys and gals, and this is another color by number. This will be the Parrot, I believe. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, the Parrot. I don't think this one will take overly long, as not as long as I thought it would, anyways. Um, let's see. Well, I forget what I was using for green. I think that it was this one, normal green. Let me see side by side here, and I can tell. Yeah, this one is definitely lighter, but not as light as that one. So all these branches here, these little leaf things, are orange. I mean, green. 10 is green. So, yeah, that shouldn't take too long. The stems are dark green. Okay. And I'm probably going to need to sharpen my pencil here sometime, but I've got a nice little pencil sharpener here. So, let's, get started then. And the big areas don't usually take too long. And they don't need to be perfect by any stretch of the imagination. Okay. And okay. We'll go over here to this one. Okay. That leaf isn't too big. Then this leaf. Okay. We're going to have to be careful here. We're going to gently go around the feathers. Like so. There we go. That's more like it. And this is actually going surprisingly fast. Okay. Looks like we have right here some more leaves. And I realize right now that this area right here looks like it might be a leaf, but it isn't. It is the gap between the branch there. Would that be a bow? Is that what's the crook is? I mean, that area is. I think that's a tree bow. Now, not to be confused with tie bow. Okay. We'll go across to this side. Okay, we're going to be careful there. 10. And then, please hold just a sec. I need to sharpen my pencil. And we're back with a nice sharp pencil here. These leaves aren't too big, so we're just going to do a light dusting and then do the detail. Okay. There's still quite a few leaves here, but we are getting them under control. And this... Okay. And right down here we have some more. That. We have some transfer here from this page, which is okay. We can work with that. It'll add some nice, interesting details. And there. Okay. There's this group of leaves, this group of leaves, and this group of leaves. So, oh, and there's some feathers here that are green as well, looks like. Oh. And, oh. Up here. Wow. There's some pretty complex patterns up here. Okay. Wow. I think I'll do the leaves first because it's just easier that way. If there was just a few segments up there, then it would be different, but okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 more leaves. Some of them are tiny, so it won't take long, and the large ones don't take very long either. And, yeah. Okay. There. And had to go sharpen the pencil again. Boy, this is really wearing away at my green colored pencil. But that's okay. There. And well, we're almost done with the leaves, but there's a lot of green on the birdie though, so let's see. Okay, tens. Okay. This one isn't too difficult. Okay. Let's 14. 14 is brown. I believe this is brown. I thought I had a black one. Oh. There's the black one. Okay. Brown. I thought I had a light brown here. I can't really find it, but okay. So 14 is brown. 15 is light brown. Okay. Okay. This is more of a mahogany. Okay, we're going to darken the area there a lot because using the same colored pencil for the light brown. For light brown, we're just going to lightly dust it like that. And then just put some power in here. Just lightly. Oops. Okay. Okay, and another 14. And then these are light. There. Light. Light. Dark. Contrast of light and darkness. Okay, now I'm thinking 9. 9, I think, is dark green. Okay. We've got a few stalks here to do. Oop. Be careful not to press too hard. I think I almost went all the way through the paper. There we go. Oh. Okay. 9. Okay. 9. And lastly is this one. Use the finger to stabilize the paper, and there. Uh-oh. There. Now, let's start at the top. I believe that number 1 is red. Yes. So, I believe this is a red color. Looks kind of pink on. No, it is not the pink one. Okay. And 2 is dark orange. Okay. So, working with red and dark orange. That is going to be fun. Red. It's not really a bold color of red. Oh, here. Two is dark orange, which we have this for. Yeah, that's actually looking pretty nice. Okay. 2. I think we're done with 2 actually, so we're done with dark orange. 4, 3, 2. Okay, oh wait, here we go. Oh, and I see a 1 that we can take care of while we're here. There. 3s, 8s, 7s, 8s, 3s. Oh, 3 is orange. Okay, we're not to 3 yet. I'm seeing some 1s. We'll get those out of the way. Yep, let's get these out of the way. Done takes grease out of your way. Okay. Here we go. This is not exactly a dark red, but still is a red. The pink I have is a lot lighter than this, even though these colors are rather muted to what I prefer. Okay. Let's see. 3 is orange, I believe. Let's see. 3 is orange. Okay. So we're going to use this lighter color orange, because that should set it apart from them. 4 is yellow. Okay. Actually, let's do yellow first. It'll be hard to show up. Okay. 2 is dark orange. Okay, I see where I missed something. There. Now we have the light orange here. Oh yeah, that's definitely a lighter orange. And we go around like this. And we'll make an assumption here. That's the lower half of the beak, so it'll probably be this color as well. There. No, it wouldn't be 11, would it? Light green. No, that's definitely part of the beak. Light green. Ah, this is it. Okay. Let's see. 3 is orange. Let's go back to orange. Okay. 3. Um, three. And then this layer of feathers is orange. Oh, we're here. We might as well do the light green here. 11. Ooh. It's very hard for this color to show up. But it is there. Okay. Oh, I see a 3 up here. That's orange. Four is what? Yellow? Okay. There. 4 is yellow. And yellow doesn't show up very well, but here it goes. It's kind of showing up. I see that I missed a 3 here. We'll just put that in. 4. 4 was yellow. Okay. Let's see. 3 right here. And we need yellow again. No, wait, 11 is light green. Okay. 3 orange. 4 yellow. Oops. Yellow. Yellow. I'm going to look. Oh, there are some 4s down here. We might as well get those done. And 3's orange. Okay. It looks like we need 11. Light green. We're really using a lot of this light green. Which looks a lot like yellow. Are any other... Oh, there's 11s right here. Of course there are. Okay. Looking like all we need now are 7s and 8s. 7 is blue. 8 is light blue. 8 is light blue. We'll do those first. We're going to barely touch the paper here. We don't want to go too much color here. And there's a little band of blue right along here. And oh. There we go. Now we just fill in this area. Okay, 7 is blue, which is this color. We're gonna have to, oh, I forgot about the 3s. That's okay, I can still do them. We're going to, sevens. As you can see, the colors are different, which is really good. Okay, that just leaves 3, which is orange again. And that's that. Oh, wait. 4. Yellow. Okay. There. That does it. I believe I'm not seeing any missed places. So let's take a zoom in and take a look. And yes, the 4 is yellow. It's just hard to see. The colors are not exactly vibrant. But yeah, that was that. And the next one, we have an armadillo. That one ought to be fun. 16 black. Oh, we'll actually be using black next time. And gray. Cool. That would be neat. It's a cute looking armadillo. But anyways, we've been doing a color by number. If you like this content, please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I upload. And if you want to support me in any way, all that information will be in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.